Imagine a world where drones are an integral part of our daily lives, from delivering packages to capturing breathtaking aerial footage. That future is not far off. We're on the cusp of a new era in technology, where drones will redefine how we interact with the world around us. And leading the charge in this revolution is Fimi, a name synonymous with innovation in the drone industry. The buzz around Fimi's upcoming drones and devices for 2024 is palpable, and for good reason. With each release, Fimi pushes the boundaries of what's possible, combining state-of-the-art technology with user-friendly designs. The anticipation is building, and the world is eager to see what Fimi has in store for us. So without further ado, let's delve into the exciting world of Fimi's upcoming drones and devices. First on our list is Fimi's upcoming Drone H1, a marvel of modern engineering. This drone is expected to push the boundaries of what we've come to expect from unmanned aerial vehicles, setting new standards in design, functionality, and user experience. Fimi's Drone H1 boasts impressive features that are sure to pique the interest of drone enthusiasts and professionals alike. Rumored to incorporate advanced flight technology, this drone promises to deliver unparalleled stability and precision, enabling users to capture stunning aerial footage with ease. The drone's specifications are equally captivating. Drone H1 is expected to be equipped with a high-resolution camera capable of capturing crystal-clear images and videos. The drone's battery life is speculated to be significantly improved, allowing for extended flight time. This drone is not just about the drone itself, but the ecosystem of devices that surround it. One such device that enhances its capabilities is the new star product from Fimi, a remote controller. This controller is designed to provide a seamless user experience, offering intuitive controls and real-time flight data. But that's not all. Drone H1 is also speculated to come with a range of accessories. While the specifics remain under wraps, we can expect innovative attachments that will expand the drone's functionalities, making it a versatile tool for a variety of applications. Fimi's Drone H1 is more than just an upgrade. It represents a leap forward in drone technology, offering users an enhanced flying experience coupled with high-quality imaging capabilities. Its associated devices and accessories are expected to further augment its performance, making it a formidable contender in the drone market. With such impressive features, Drone H1 is set to make waves in the drone industry. As we eagerly await its official release, we can only speculate about the incredible possibilities this drone will bring. Stay tuned as we continue to bring you the latest on Fimi's upcoming drones and devices. Next up is Fimi's Drone No. 2, another testament to Fimi's innovative prowess. This marvel of technology is not just a drone, but a fusion of high-tech features and user-friendly design aimed at pushing the boundaries of what a drone can do. At first glance, the Fimi Drone No. 2 may seem like its predecessor, but don't let that fool you. This drone is a powerhouse, built with the latest advancements in drone technology. It's designed to be robust yet lightweight, capable of handling diverse weather conditions while ensuring a smooth and stable flight. Now, let's talk about the camera. The drone is equipped with a state-of-the-art camera that promises crisp and clear aerial footage. Whether you're capturing the grandeur of a mountain range or the intricacies of a bustling city, the Fimi Drone No. 2 ensures every detail is captured with precision. To complement this drone, Fimi is also offering a range of associated devices. For instance, there's a new remote controller on the horizon. This isn't your typical drone controller. It's designed to give you unparalleled control over your drone, with intuitive controls and a sleek design that fits comfortably in your hand. Then there are the battery accessories. Long gone are the days of short flights and long charging times. With Fimi's new battery accessories, you can fly longer and charge faster. This means more time in the air capturing stunning visuals and less time on the ground waiting for your drone to charge. Lastly, let's not forget about the unique devices that Fimi has in store. While we don't have all the details just yet, it's clear that Fimi is working on some exciting new additions to enhance your drone experience. Drone No. 2 demonstrates Fimi's dedication to pushing the boundaries of drone technology. With its innovative features and user-centric design, it's clear that Fimi is setting the standard for what drones can be. So stay tuned for more updates on this exciting new drone. Now let's take a look at Fimi's Drone H3, a drone designed to redefine possibilities. With Drone H3, Fimi is firing on all cylinders. This marvel of engineering is expected to boast an array of high-tech features that will have tech enthusiasts grinning from ear to ear. If our sources are correct, Fimi's Drone #3 is set to emerge as a game-changer in the drone landscape. Let's start with its standout features. Drone #3 is rumored to be equipped with a set of powerful, high-efficiency motors that will allow for unparalleled flight performance. Its flight time is expected to surpass the industry norm, offering users an extended, uninterrupted aerial experience. In terms of imaging capabilities, Drone #3 is poised to take it a step further. With an advanced camera system, it is expected to capture stunning, high-resolution images and videos, making it a perfect companion for photographers and videographers who want to explore the world from new perspectives. Now, let's talk about the associated devices specifically designed for this drone. Fimi is known for its dedication to enhancing the user experience through innovative devices. For Drone #3, they are expected to introduce a new intuitive remote controller. This controller is set to offer users unparalleled control over their drone, opening up a world of possibilities for flight maneuvers and camera work. Drone #3 also promises a range of smart features, including advanced obstacle avoidance and automated flight modes. These features are designed to make flying the drone safer and more enjoyable, even for beginners. In conclusion, Fimi's Drone #3 seems to be a testament to the company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of drones. It offers a compelling blend of power, precision, and versatility, making it a highly anticipated addition to Fimi's lineup. Drone #3 promises to deliver an unparalleled drone experience. Beyond the drones themselves, Fimi's associated devices deserve a spotlight of their own. These devices are not just mere accessories. They are technological marvels designed to enhance your drone experience manifold. Let's start with the remote controllers. These are not your average joysticks. Fimi's controllers are meticulously designed to offer precision control, ensuring that your drone responds to your commands as accurately as possible. With an ergonomic design and a user-friendly interface, these controllers make piloting your drone a breeze. Then we have the camera attachments, the real game changers. Fimi's cameras are equipped with advanced imaging technologies, allowing you to capture footage from the skies like never before. From high-definition videos to breathtaking aerial photos, these cameras unlock a new perspective of the world around us. Another critical device is the battery and its accessories. Fimi's batteries are designed for longevity, ensuring that your drone can stay airborne for extended periods. Moreover, Fimi offers a range of charging solutions, from portable chargers to multi-battery charging hubs, ensuring that your drone is always ready for action. But what truly sets Fimi's devices apart is their versatility and compatibility. Whether it's the remote controller, the camera, or the battery, these devices can be used across multiple Fimi drones. This interchangeability not only saves you money, but also offers you the flexibility to switch devices based on your requirements. These devices enhance the capabilities of Fimi's drones, making them even more impressive. They are the unsung heroes that bring out the best in your drone, allowing you to explore the skies with unparalleled ease and precision. So, next time you fly a Fimi drone, remember to appreciate these versatile devices that make your flight experience truly extraordinary. While we await the official releases, let's explore some industry rumors and expectations around Fimi's upcoming drones. As we navigate the exciting realm of speculation, remember, the sands of tech innovation shift rapidly, and details may change before the official release. From the whispers in the tech corridors, Fimi's upcoming drones are expected to push the boundaries of flight performance, image quality, and user experience. There's talk of greater flight autonomy, with speculation around advanced obstacle avoidance systems and longer flight times. In the realm of image capturing, there's anticipation for higher resolution cameras, possibly even 8K, providing unparalleled aerial photography and videography experiences. Enhanced image stabilization technology could also be on the cards, promising smoother footage, even in challenging conditions. User experience is another area where Fimi could surprise us. We might see more intuitive control systems, possibly even gesture-based controls. There's also a buzz around the potential for more immersive flight experiences, possibly through advanced VR capabilities. As for the associated devices, there's speculation of a new star controller with enhanced range and responsiveness. Perhaps we'll also see smarter battery systems, offering longer flight times and faster recharging. Now, these are all speculations, based on industry trends and the evolution of drone technology. Fimi, with its history of innovation, could well exceed these expectations or surprise us with features we haven't even considered. Regardless of the speculation, one thing is certain: Fimi's upcoming drones and devices are eagerly anticipated. Let's hold our breaths as we await the official announcements and prepare to be amazed by the leaps and bounds in drone technology. As we wrap up, it's clear that the future of drone technology is bright, with Fimi leading the charge. We've taken a deep dive into the world of upcoming drones and the innovative devices that enhance their capabilities. From the impressive features and specifications of Fimi's upcoming drones, we can see that they are committed to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. We've also explored the range of associated devices that are set to revolutionize the way we interact with these drones. Whether it's advanced controllers, camera attachments, or battery accessories, the potential for customization and optimization is truly exciting. While we've speculated on what the future holds, it's important to remember that all these details are subject to change. The world of technology is ever evolving, and Fimi is sure to keep us on our toes with their innovative designs and cutting-edge technology. Stay tuned for official announcements and updates, and prepare for a future where drones play a significant role in our lives.